Hi everyone, this is Brad. I'm in Word 2016, and just a reminder how to add a watermark. Google just added a watermarking tool for Google Docs. So just as a reminder, in Word, it's in 2016, here's how you do it. Go ahead up into Design. Then on the right-hand side, you'll see Watermark. Go ahead and select. You can see the different ones that are available to you right here. So let's go ahead and select Draft. You can see Draft is now in the background. If you like to remove that, simply go back into Watermark, remove Watermark. If you like to add your own, you can go ahead down. You can see there are more watermarks from office.com. You can select there, or select your own by selecting Custom and then going through and finding the picture that you would like by selecting the picture on your desktop or wherever you have it stored. Then you have your options here for text watermark as well. You can apply it diagonally or horizontally. Just don't forget to select apply. Any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.